Hey, I'm Jake. I'm a little uncomfortable talking about this, but I need to. See, I've had a prostate operation and it's left me, incontinent. This means that I leak sometimes, so I wear pads or briefs to manage this. I'm not alone. There are more than 2 million blokes like me in Australia who have some form of incontinence affecting their bladder and bowel. And more than half of us are self-conscious about it. And most of us feel embarrassed. And it stops us doing the things we like, such as dining out, attending entertainment and sporting events, and participating in outdoor activities, or simply going to the shops. One of the reasons for this is there's nowhere to dispose of used continence products in public. This not only affects our ability to get out and about, it can stop us from working and feeling connected. But I found a solution I want to share. BINS4Blokes. BINS4Blokes is an initiative of Continence Health Australia. They are advocating for a simple solution: the installation of incontinence bins in male public toilets. Incontinence bins in male public toilets across Australia give blokes like me experiencing incontinence the freedom to get out and about. If you would like to know more, check out the website BINS4Blokes.org.au or email info@BINS4Blokes.org.au. Come on, be part of the solution. Put in a bin for us blokes.